6 Weird Signs You're Way Too Stressed Out, Dr. Ashley Michael. The physical symptoms of stress can often be extremely hard to decipher as they tend to occur with variance and unusual patterns. The human body can experience stress due to a great many reasons, be it a highly stressful job, a financial crisis, the burden of daily chores, or even preparing a 3-course meal for your guests over the holidays. Stress seems unavoidable, given the unhealthy lifestyles of modern life in the 21st century. Most people aren't aware of the fact that heightened levels of stress affect a great deal more than just our ability to relax and calm down. Excessive levels of stress and anxiety not only expose our body to countless chronic and fatalistic ailments by weakening our immunity, but they also induce heavy hair fall, weaken our memory and cause embarrassing episodes of sweating. White blister on lip. Your body on stress. If you all the signs of damage wreaked by stress upon your body. Neglecting these effects can damage both your physical and mental well-being. Physical symptoms of stress can be much scarier than the mental ones. For instance, vomiting and dry heaving can be triggered anytime and anywhere when faced with a highly stressful situation. And in the case of most symptoms, such as hair fall, one doesn't even realize that stress is actually the underlying cause. Therefore, we've picked out 6 extremely weird symptoms that most people aren't aware are caused due to excessive stress. Here, take a look. 1. Vomiting. Symptoms of chronic stress have been privately linked with symptoms of vomiting, retching and dry heaving. Research reveals that vomiting and retching is often caused by highly stressful situations and anxiety. Stress and anxiety also induce the symptoms of vomiting by causing sufferers to experience persistent vomiting and nausea for a long period of time, triggering the symptoms at the same time each day. Since vomiting causes the body to lose a great many electrolytes, one can only deal with these symptoms of stress-triggered vomiting or dry heaving by giving the body plenty of rest and consuming lots of water. Moreover, it is essential to adopt stress-reducing methods that will calm your body, for instance yoga, meditation. 2. Hair loss. Hair loss can be explained with countless reasons and health ailments, such as medicinal side effects and genetic causes. Stress happens to be one of the most principal causes of hair fall. Researchers have highlighted the fact stress often causes alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder that causes excessive hair loss because the white blood cells begin attacking the hair follicles. Moreover, stress also triggers another extremely severe hair loss condition, telogen effluvium, which causes a sudden loss of nearly 70% of the hair present on a person's scalp. Although, researchers are a bit hesitant in linking up this condition with stress since the hair loss tends to strike months after experiencing a stressful event, which could be childbirth or even a death of a loved one. However, this condition does tend to reduce when the stressful event is over and the symptoms are being dealt with. Childbirth or even a death of a loved one. However, this condition does tend to reduce when the stressful event is over and the symptoms are being dealt with. Hair loss due to stress treatment. 3. Nosebleeds. Several studies have revealed that many patients experienced symptoms of nosebleeds after experiencing highly stressful situations. A recent research that attempted to study this claim revealed that this can occur due to a sudden blood pressure spike, which is highly likely when the body is experiencing excessive stress. The simplest way to avoid stress-induced nosebleeds is to regulate your blood pressure by sipping a hot cup of hibiscus tea. This potent brew will also cut down your stress levels, giving your body a much-needed chance to relax and calm down. Hibiscus tea. This potent brew will also cut down your stress levels, giving your body a much-needed chance to relax and calm down. 4. Stress tends to shrink the hippocampus, which affects our memory and causes us to lose trivial information we obtained earlier during the day. Research highlights the fact that chronic stress exposes our hippocampus, which is basically the region of the brain that is responsible for controlling our short-term memory, to heightened levels of cortisol, a harmful stress hormone. This deceives the brain's ability to remember most things that constitute as a part of our short-term memory. In order to sharpen your memory, you must first deal with the stress that is causing these symptoms. In the meantime, you can always scribble down important information to boost your memory, along with eating memory-sharpening foods, such as almonds. Memory loss care 5. Weakened immunity. A weakened and brittle immunity is one of the most prominent symptoms exhibited by stress upon the human body, and this takes release of catecholamines, which are basically hormones that aid the body in regulating the immune system. However, consistent release of these hormones disrupts the body's ability to perform this function. Moreover, stress causes the thymus gland, which is responsible for generating white cells that fight off infections, to shrink considerably and harms telomeres, the glands that aid the reproduction of immune cells. Exercising, even if you work out for no more than 30 minutes, can cut down your stress levels and allow your immune system to strengthen. You can also pick out countless immunity-boosting foods for 6. Sweat profusely. When the body is stressed out and agitated, it tends to sweat a great deal. However, some people also suffer from the symptoms of hyperhidrosis, which causes severe sweating, primarily on the feet and palms. You can easily cut down this stress-induced sweating by adopting healthy lifestyle habits, such as meditation and yoga. However, if you are experiencing symptoms of hyperhidrosis, you must consult a specialist of this disorder immediately. A recent study revealed that stress-induced sweat can exude certain signals that are detected by individuals around you, causing them to experience the similar symptoms of stress experienced by you. Therefore, seeking help for yourself can also benefit those around you. For more updates, subscribe to our channel. Click the show link and enjoy the video.